Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an expense category in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to load your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is how to create your account on FreshBooks. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com. Now that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add an expense category in FreshBooks. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now, for you to add an expense category, you're going to have to click on expenses, and that's going to open up the expenses window. Now, head over to the top right corner where you have new expense. Now click on new expense, and once you click on that, that's going to take you to a window where you can now add an expense category. Now this is add category, so mark as cost of goods sold. All right, so new. So drag receipt image. All right, so this category, so I can add a bit advertising, contract expense, gas, mileage, repairs. So let's say advertising. So I want to advertise my book. So that's the category. So over here, click on that and edit the date. How fix the date that you want, and drag receipt image here or select the file. You can do that. Now add a description. Now add merchant. Click on that and add the merchant for this expense. Add description, and after add a description, if you want to add a tax, go ahead and add a tax. And after that, add the receipt image. That's all. If you want to assign to clients a project, click on that. If you want to make recurring, click on that. If you want to change the currency, click on that. And after that, go ahead and click on the save button, which is at the top right corner, and that's going to be it. So that's how you can add an expense category. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.